With My Reports, we can pinpoint the metrics that align to business priorities, turning engagement into tangible results we can act on.
Posts that employees share have an 8 times greater engagement rate than brand content. Employee content makes up 24 times greater reach.
My Reports is the most comprehensive view of all of our metrics. So it's got everything from engagement rates to follower growth to tag data to campaign performance to key messages, pipeline sales, and more. So My Reports makes it really easy to consolidate and visualize data, spot trends, and help your business leaders make smarter decisions.
UTMs or urchin tracking modules are like a GPS for your links. They show you exactly where your traffic is coming from. With Sprout Social, you can do all of this without even breaking a sweat. Knowing what works drives more of the right traffic.